Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a poll on Facebook using your mobile device. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on your homepage, tap on Menu button on bottom right corner. Then tap on Groups, join any group, or tap on View of any group that you're already a member. Then tap on Write Something. Now scroll down through the options and select Poll from the menu. Here's where you create your Facebook poll options. You can add multiple choices for your poll. If you want people to select more than one answer, just toggle on Allow Multiple Answers in the settings below. Customize your poll options however you like. Next, add your poll question in the text field. Make it clear and engaging. Once you've entered your question, then tap Done in the top right corner. On this screen, you can adjust your Facebook post settings, choose your audience, add to your story, or schedule the poll for later. When everything looks good, tap Post in the top right corner. Keep a note that you cannot create a poll on your profile page as per latest update by Facebook, so you need to create a group or join anyone to create a poll. And that's it. Your Facebook poll is now live, and your friends or followers can start voting. Thanks for watching Knoll Tech. Hit subscribe for more quick tutorials.